everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage the language and location settings on your HISENSE TV. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the settings. So click the left arrow on your TV remote, now go to settings, and after that we need to go over to system and the language and location. So here we can change our location. As you guys can see, I'm in Poland right now. We can change it, let's say, to Norway, and now it will change. So all we got to do is just wait, and now we will need to agree to everything that's based for this location. Here we have the manual language. Here we can change the language, as you guys can see, to, let's say, ST or Deutsch. We have a lot of languages here. So now moving on, we also have the audio language. Here we can change it to the primary audio and the secondary audio. So we can basically change it, the secondary one, to, let's say, Croatian, and just simply click OK, and it's automatically saved. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.